Pili nuts have gained popularity not only for their taste but also for their nutritional benefits. They are high in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, and are a good source of magnesium, phosphorus, and other nutrients. In recent years, pili nuts have gained attention in international markets due to their unique flavor and potential health benefits. They are often used in various culinary applications, including as snacks, in desserts, and even savory dishes. Overall, pili nuts have rich history deeply intertwined with the cultures and cuisines of Southeast Asia.